Pollo al Ajillo is a traditional dish known as tapas, found in the bars in Spain. The key ingredient of the dish is chicken flavoured in garlic sauce. The sauce is rich and full of flavour and is perfect for dipping some crusty bread in. This dish is easy to prepare since it requires very few ingredients. It's a perfect example of a one-pot meal. Take 500 grams of chicken pieces and season with salt and pepper, mixed together by hand. Heat 4 tablespoons of olive oil and throw in 9 garlic cloves. After a few minutes, add the chicken. Now just allow it to cook for a while, making sure to turn over your chicken during cooking. Continue to turn the chicken while cooking to crisp up the skin. This adds a great texture to the dish. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the pan. Tip 20 grams of garlic into the remaining oil and stir through so that it can cook. Then add 10 grams of flour to thicken. Add 100 milliliters of white wine, stir for a while, then add the chicken back into the pan. Pour over 250 milliliters of chicken stock. Grind in some more salt and stir everything through. Now time to cover and stew for 30 minutes. This will allow the sauce to thicken. Now it's time to serve up with some potatoes. Absolutely delicious.